Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you what the Santa Claus sent to me. Let's see what we have inside this big box. Come on. What is first? Ooh, what a big thing. Oh, nice. It's a smart scale with Bluetooth for 16%. Nice. It is very nice smart case. Smart scale which can be connected to your smartphone. Nice. Also we have here, come on, the next one. Wow, DJI OM5. Oh, nice. Nice. So I'm ready for my vlog now. I can create a lot of videos from YouTube with my smartphone. Nice gift. Thank you, Santa. What also we have here? Selfie kit. Tripod with selfie stick. Nice. I'm ready for my vlog. Okay. What also we have inside? Nice. Jerby, very soft and very easy to use tripod stick. Nice. Okay. Oh, thank you, Santa. That is my new Apple iWatch 7 Solar Edition. Black one, perfect. I like this cover. And also what we have here, my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's silver cover. Nice. And also we have leather wallet for it. It's original leather wallet. Come on, Santa, you are great this year. So that one is MagSafe Duo charger. It's original Apple charger. If you want to travel a lot, this charger is perfect for you. You can use it for any time and any place. It's wireless charger for your smartphone and your smartwatch. It's very nice to use. And also this one is small camera protector for your smartphone, Apple 13 Pro Max and also 13 Pro. It's very nice because you can cover everything around your cameras. It's very good for safety. And the last one, but not the least, is Apple AirTags. So I can track, I can cover a lot of the things that can be used and tracked for me. Thank you, Santa. It was a great year. Thank you for watching.